Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create USB pendrive partition in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me go to this PC and let me show you I have inserted my USB pendrive. So you can see my USB drive. So you can see here it's only a single partition, so we'll make a more partition here. So firstly, before proceeding, what you need to do is just right click on your respective USB pen drive and you can see your properties. Just go to properties and kindly check the file system, whether your file system is anti-fizz or not. If it is showing FAT32 or EXFAT, then what you need to do is you need to convert it to anti-fizz, because the tricks will not work with the FAT32 or the exFAT formats. So for this, what you need to do is just click on format, and you can see here in the file system by default my one is anti-fizz, so you can see a exFAT, or if you're using a FAT32, then just select the anti-fizz before formatting, and after selecting the anti-fizz and click on start to convert it to anti-fizz format. But if you have some important data, kindly backup it firstly before formatting your respective USB pen drive. So this is how you can make your respective USB pen drive in anti-fizz format. So after doing this, so now what you need to do, if you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you can just put your mouse cursor on the start menu and just right click on it, and you can see here one option named as disk management, right? So if you are using a Windows 7 or the lower version, then you can do one thing. Just press Win plus R on your computer keyboard to open the run program, and in the run program you can type this command, that is the disk mgmt.msc, which will gonna open you the respective disk management. So I'll just click on OK to open the disk management. So you can see here disk management. So finally you can see here we have a single partitions USB pen drive right now, right? So just right click on it and you can see here string volume, right? Just click on this option, string volume, wait for a few seconds. So you can see here enter the amount. By default it is selecting this much of, so we don't want to make this much of new partitions. So what I will do, my total is almost 60 GB, as you can see, 59151. So I'll just use 29. You can put any value how much size you want to make. So I've just set this much of amount, and the earlier one will be left behind with 30 GB. So I'll just, after selecting or the putting the value, I'll just click on string, wait for a few seconds. So we have created a new partitions, but this is unusable. So you can see unallocated, so just right click on this unallocated, and you can see a new simple volume. Just click on it. Now click on next, click on next. Now you can select the drive letter as whatever drive letter you want to put for your respective second partition on your respective USB pen drive. So I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll just proceed with next. And now just click on next, click on finish. Wait for a few more seconds. So finally you can see we have created a new one more partitions on our respective USB pen drive. So you can see here the new volume. So let us go to this PC right now. So you can see here we have created a new partitions on our respective USB pen drive. So you can just rename it also if you want to rename it, and just give it a name as USB drive 2. So you can see we have created a USB drive partitions. So if you want to remove it back, just move to the same option, that is the disk management. So if you want to remove this both the partitions and you want to create it as single partition again, then just right click on it and just delete this volume, and once again select the first one and click on delete volume. So finally a single partition has been created back, but still it is unusable. As you can see, it's mentioning unallocated. Just right click on it, click on new symbol volume, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on finish. So wait for a few more seconds. So finally we have created back a single partition USB pen drive. So let us go to this PC again. Voila, now we have a single partition USB pen drive on our respective Windows computers. So this is how you can easily create a USB pen drive partition in any Windows computer very easily. And the good thing is that you don't need to rely on the third-party partitioning software. You can directly use the inbuilt disk management options to create multiple USB pen drive partitions in your respective Windows computer. So if you've never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.